want to thank the seller for sending this to us in exchange for a video. As always, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. It looks super simple to put together. Basically what came in the box is these two lengtheners and some bits and pieces for maintenance. But for these, all you do is pull the collar back on your pressure washer. It's locked in. Again, you just pull the collar back, locked in. Now this, pull the collar back. Maybe I went the I did this in the opposite order. And lock in. Perfect. And now you can see this thing rolls like a vacuum. Pretty sweet. And all we need to do is turn the hose on. I love how that swivels there, so now I can set that down. So this is actually from our old umbrella, and it's not pretty. So this is going to be perfect, and I'm super excited because I know it's going to be satisfying. Everything's hooked up. Turn that on. Pressurized. We'll give it a test run, make sure it works. Oh yeah. So now that you've got everything loosened up, this is much faster than using just the nozzle. But now that you've got everything loosened up, you can easily just come down here, disconnect, and then switch to the cleanup.